When you're fitting hinges, accuracy and repeatability make all the difference. The trend AnyDoor hinge jig kit is built around a modular rail construction, making it quick to assemble and easy to configure for different jobs. The jig can be used on doors from 600 to 2040 millimeters in height. Lightweight anodized aluminium rails keep the jig easy to handle while maintaining durability and accuracy. Adjustable edge guides accommodate a variety of hinge leaf widths, and the adjustable quick-release aperture blocks provide fast, accurate hinge positioning. It's designed to handle both square and radius hinges, including the common 10mm radius. The twin rail system provides unlimited hinge positions, making the jig perfect for both new and replacement installations. The 25mm rail depth allows the jig to be used against fixed door stops. The jig can be fixed quickly to the door using either a bradawl or screws. A durable steel end plate provides rapid door-to-frame transition. And when the job's done, everything packs neatly into a tough carry bag, ready for the next installation. The trend AnyDoor hinge jig kit accurately recess square and radius hinges in timber doors and frames.